Hello children, how are you all? I hope that all is good. And my name is S. Nazima Begum. I am working as biology CRT in KGBV Varikuntla, SA Kasnayana Mandal, YSR Kadapa district. Okay ma? Welcome to our online classes. In our previous classes, we completed our fourth lesson, that is reproduction in animals. Okay. Now today I will start the fifth lesson, attending at the age of adolescence. Now let's start this video. As the name of the lesson, attending at the age of adolescence. Here, what is the meaning of adolescence? Adolescence is the period of life when the body undergoes several changes that leads to reproductive maturity. It is called as adolescence. It is the period between childhood and adulthood, that is from 11 to 19 years of age. During this period, children are called as adolescents or teenagers. And next, what is the meaning of puberty? Young person develops from a child into adult, and the changes that leads to reproductive maturity. Now, what is the changes occur in the adolescence? That is, number 1 is increase in height. Now, students, growth is one of the most important characteristics in human beings. We grow to certain height for certain period only. This change takes place in adolescence. At these times, bones of arms and legs elongated together, strong and tall. Okay ma? Next, second one is change in our body. In boys, basically shoulders and chest become broader and their muscles also strong, grow during this age. And in girls, the region below the waist become wider. Next, the third one is changing in voice. In human males, the larynx grows larger at the time of puberty and can be seen as a protruding part of the throat. It is called as Adam's apple. Okay. Due to this, the vocal cord becomes thicker and longer, which causes the voice harsh. And in girls, the larynx is of small size and is hardly visible. Therefore, girls have a high pitched voice. Okay ma? Next, increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands. The secretion of sweat glands and sebaceous glands increases many of people. Many of adolescent boys and girls get pimples on the face because of increased activity of these glands in the skin. These are the external visible characters that develop in boys and girls after puberty. And the another one is development of sex organs. At this age, male sex organs like the testes and the penis develop completely. The testes also began to produce sperms. In girls, the ovary enlarges and eggs began to mature, and also ovaries start releasing the eggs, mature eggs. And next secondary sexual characters. In boys, facial hair, mustaches and hair starts growing on the chest. Okay, and in girls, breasts began to develop. In both boys and girls, hair grows in the armpits and at the genital regions. These are called as secondary sexual characters. Okay, and another one is glands. Glands, there are basically two types of glands. Number one is exocrine glands and the another one is endocrine glands. First, exocrine glands. These exocrine glands releases their secretions outside the body. They have their ducts for the secretion. The site of the action is nearby the glands. And the another one is endocrine glands. The endocrine glands releases their secretions instead the blood streams, and they are ductlets. That's why these glands are called as ductlets glands. For the secretions of the sites of the action is anywhere in the body. The endocrine hormones perform several functions in the body, like hormones control the sugar levels, salt and calcium levels in the blood, and also control water levels of the body. Along with these, endocrine glands play an important role in development of the reproductive system. Physical changes during adolescence, starting of menses, pregnancy and menopause, etc. are largely under the control of these hormones. The male hormone testosterone begins to be released by the testes at the onset of adolescence, which causes changes in boys. In girls, ovaries began to produce the female hormone estrogen, which brings about the development of breast. Milk secreting glands or mammary glands develop inside the breast. Table shows a list of some endocrine glands and some of the hormones produced by them. The number one gland is testis. The testis gland produces testosterone hormone, and ovaries produce estrogen hormone, and the third one is pituitary gland. It produces FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, growth hormone, and LH, luteinizing hormone. And the fourth one is adrenal gland. This gland produces adrenaline hormone. This adrenaline hormone controls the emotions. In females, the reproductive phase of life begins usually around 10 to 12 years of age and generally last till the age of approximately 45 to 50 years. The ova begin to mature with the onset of adolescence. One ovum matures and is released by one of the ovaries once in about 28 to 30 days. During this period, the wall of the uterus becomes thick so as to receive a fertilized egg, and this results in pregnancy. If fertilization does not occur, the released egg and the thickened lining of the uterus along with its blood vessels are shed off. This causes bleeding in women, which is called menstruation. At 45 to 50 years of age, the menstrual cycle stops. This stage is known as menopause. Menstruation occurs once in about 28 to 30 days. It causes intellectual menstrual cycle may be irregular. Personal hygiene is very important, especially during teenage, and increased activity of sweat glands sometimes makes the body smelly. It also leads to acne. All parts of the body should be washed and cleaned every day. If cleanliness is not maintained, there are chances of catching bacterial and fungal infections. Balanced diet. Balanced diet is very important for adolescents. They need to eat different varieties of food. This is the stage of rapid growth and development because the diet for an adolescent has to be carefully planned. In balanced diet includes proteins, carbohydrates, fats and vitamins in requires propositions. Our Indian meal of roti, rice, dal, and vegetables is a balanced meal. Milk and fruits are also useful for nourishment. Iron builds blood, and iron rich foods such as leafy vegetables, jaggery, meat, citrus, Indian gooseberry are good for adolescents. Instead of playing outdoor games, spending time by watching TV or working on computer leads to drowsiness. That is why you are not able to pay attention on your studies. Adolescence is a period when many changes take place in the body. Because of these changes, one may get tensed, confused, or insecure. In this situation, if anybody suggests that you will get relief if you take some drugs, just say no unless prescribed by the medical doctor. In case of having any problems, insecurity, or tension, it is better to discuss and take help of your elders, parents, teachers, or doctors, etc. Okay, ma? Children, in the adolescent age, physical exercises also very important. Walking and playing in fresh air keeps the body fit and healthy. All young boys and girls should take a walk, exercise, and play outdoor games. The physical activity leads to conditions of better health, sound sleep, and thereby by mental peace. Mental peace problems happiness in day to day existences. Instead of playing outdoor games, spending time by watching TV or working on computer leads to drowsiness. That is why you are not able to pay attention on your studies. Childrens, do you know that consuming of tobacco like gutka, cigarettes, bidi, khilli damages the internal organs of the body? The number of addicted people at the age of 15 or below is 68% in AP. That is 57.57 lakhs members are when they reach 30 years of age, their internal organ system becomes damaged, and this leads to several problems and sometimes may cause death also. It is a dangerous turn in our country. So you should be aware of healthy habits. Children, once again I will repeat what we have learned in this chapter. Adolescence is the period of reproductive maturity which lies usually between the ages of 10 to 19 years. During adolescence, a child's body undergoes many changes physically as well as mentally. Voice of boys becomes harsh as chords of voice box get loosened and thickened during adolescence. Height gain in children during adolescence and stops afterwards. The onset of puberty or development of secondary sexual characters and maturity of reproductive parts are controlled by hormones that become functional at the onset of adolescence. Hormones are the secretions of endocrine glands without ducts which secretes them directly into the bloodstream. Pituitary glands secrete hormones which include growth hormones and other stimulating hormones that make other glands such as the test, ovary, adrenal gland, etc. secretes hormones. Testosterone is the male hormone and estrogen is the female hormone that bring about development of several secondary sexual characters. The uterine wall in female prepares itself to receive the developing fertilized eggs. In case there is no fertilization, the thickened lining of the uterus wall breaks down and goes out of the body along with the blood. This is called menstruation. It is important to take balanced diet for overall growth and development during adolescence.